Assalamu alaikum. May the peace and blessings be upon you. My name is Faisal Haroon, and in this multi-part series of videos, we are going over the Sunday School program offered by the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning. This video is about the registration process. In the previous video, we learned about different aspects of our program, including various stages and levels, as well as formats that our courses are offered in. In the next video, we will cover the fee schedule, financial aid information, and a list of important resources that you should be aware of. Okay, so without further ado, our Sunday School program is highly popular, and due to high demand, our classes fill up rather quickly. It is therefore important that you understand and follow various phases of our registration process. In the next slides, we will discuss our age policy, pre-registration, priority registration, open enrollment, late registration, as well as the waiting list. As we discussed in the previous video, our courses are developed with precise age groups in mind. With that, it's imperative that when registering your student for a live course that you follow the advertised age group for that course. While our registration system does not stop anyone to register, the onus of following our age policy is on the parent to ensure that they don't run into any problems after registration or during the school year. A student older than the course's advertised age group might be accommodated if there is space still available after open enrollment. However, no student will be allowed to attend a course with an advertised age group higher than the student's age. Okay, moving on. Due to the fact that our classes fill up very quickly, we have come up with a priority registration system. In March-April timeframe of each year, we announce pre-registration. This announcement is sent out via email as well as advertised on all our social platforms such as Ask Ghamidi, Facebook, and Twitter. Pre-registration is simply an intent that you share for enrolling your student in our program in the upcoming school year. The benefit of pre-registration is that you are added to our priority registration list. Pre-registration is completely free and a very simple as well as a painless process. Students who have pre-registered are invited for priority registration in July timeframe. This invitation is sent out via email. Priority registration is a short period in which you are allowed to register your student before the open enrollment begins. When you participate in priority registration, you actually register your student for the course and provide any payment information. Once your registration is complete, a Google Classroom invite is sent out to the student email address that you provided during registration. It is very important that you accept the Google Classroom invite immediately. If for some reason you do not receive the invite in the next 30 minutes after registration, please log into your account at ghamidi.org, ensure that you have provided the correct email address, and resend yourself the invite. Your registration is not complete until you have accepted the Google Classroom invitation. If for any reason you miss priority registration, you may still be able to register your student during open enrollment if space is still available. In July timeframe of each year, we announce open enrollment. This announcement is sent out via email as well as advertised on all our social platforms such as Ask Ghamidi, Facebook, and Twitter. When you participate in open enrollment, you actually register your student for the course and provide any payment information. Once your registration is complete, a Google Classroom invite is sent out to the student email address that you provided during registration. Your registration is not complete until you have accepted the Google Classroom invitation. Once a class is full, we allow you to get on the waiting list. In the event that someone drops off, we notify everyone on the waiting list via email. The first person to register gets the open spot. Once our school year commences, for the next 2 weeks, we allow late registration for courses that might still have space available. A word of advice: with such a high demand, please do not count on this. Also, additional fee may apply for late registrations. This concludes the second video of our series. In this video, we learned about Ghamidi Center's Sunday School age policy, pre-registration, priority registration, open enrollment, waiting list, and late registration. In the next video, we will go over the fee structure, financial aid, and important resources. I hope to see you there.